Hi, my name's Dawn Taylor, and I am going to go over my professional development digital portfolio that encompasses all the work that I've accomplished in this summer 2021 ELRC 7525 course. So it has multiple pages. The home page consists of my introduction. And then it moves into the next page, which is called K through 12 Trends, which includes a link to a Wakelet site that I created, in which I have two collections. This one is, in particular, is regarding the Google's Future of Classroom report. The next page is called Trends in EdTech. And on this page, I have created a curation of four professional development programs or delivery methods that I plan to use in the future to deliver professional development to the 334th Training Squadron where I work. Uh, Also, yep, that's all on that page. And then so the next page is a page on professional development, which includes my top 10 professional development opportunities that I can use to provide professional development to my organization. The second link to my Wakelet collection, which is professional development curated sites. And then at the bottom is a Padlet that we did as a all the students added to the Padlet with our favorite professional development site. The next page is called Blended Learning, and in here I did a comic strip style infographic that basically delves into the myths and truths of blended learning. The next page is my PD plan page, and this includes a technology needs assessment that I accomplished for my organization, as well as a professional development training package that I plan to deliver to my organization. Moving into the next page is ISTE coaching standards. And I've included multiple subpages for all of the coaching standards that fall under ISTE. So I'll just go to one of them. So each of the subpages includes a further explanation of the standards, and then I provide an artifact that explains what I have done within that particular standard. And then the last page is the reflections page, which includes multiple reflections that I created. They're all visual and written collections of my reflections. So that's it. In closing, I really love this course. I like the way that the assignments used educational technology tools to help us create the assignments, but it also gives us a tool to put in our toolbox for future use. And also creating this site is going to be helpful to me for future use as well. So thank you for listening and for watching, and have a good day.